Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making 5-ingredient breakfast cookies two ways, a low-fat and a low-carb version. But before we get started, if you haven't already, I would love for you to join our community, so smash that subscribe button. Here is a list of the ingredients we'll be using today. They will also be in the description box below. In a small bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of almond flour and 1/2 of a cup of sweet potato puree. If you don't have sweet potato puree, you could also use pumpkin puree. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. To that, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of Hemp Hearts and a few cracks of Himalayan Pink Salt. Sweet potato puree is going to add 4.5 grams of protein per serving with no added fat and 8 grams of fiber. Hemp Hearts are rich in healthy fats and essential fatty acids. They also are a complete protein source containing all essential amino acids. They contain vitamin E, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, iron, and zinc. They are so good for you. I've also added 2 tablespoons of Monkfruit Extract. Monkfruit is gluten-free, paleo, keto, great for diabetics, absolutely delicious, and has many health benefits. Next, I'm grabbing a rimmed baking sheet and placing my silicone liner in it. If you don't have one, you can use parchment paper or just grease it really well. Now, using a cookie scoop, I'm placing the mixture onto the pan. This will yield 9 cookies. And remember, these are not going to change shape very much once you put them in the oven, so you can put them pretty close together. Next, I'm taking 1 cup of sprouted rolled oats. I'm using my spice grinder. You could use a mini chopper. Sprouted oats contain 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 150 milligrams of potassium. They're really good for you. So I'm adding them to the same small bowl. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of the sprouted rolled oats, but I'm not grinding them up. Then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and a few cracks of the Himalayan Pink Salt. Next, I'm adding 1/2 of a cup of sweet potato puree. You could use pumpkin, squash, just remember it needs to be unseasoned. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk. I prefer unsweetened almond milk. You can use whatever kind you like. Then I'm adding the 2 tablespoons of Monkfruit Extract. And then I'm just going to give it a good mix. Cinnamon is high in antioxidants, is anti-inflammatory, helps to improve your cholesterol, and also regulates your metabolism. I love it. I did decide to add 1 more tablespoon of the unsweetened almond milk. Because oats are so much more dense than the almond flour, you really need to make sure you have enough liquid in here so they do not dry out. Next, I'm grabbing my cookie scoop. A great hack is to make sure you wet the cookie scoop before you stick it in the cookie mixture. It'll make it a lot easier to get them out. And once again, I put them a little bit too far apart, and this too will yield 9 cookies. Perfect. Now remember, you need to flatten them down to the shape you want. They are not really going to change shape once they go into the oven. I took another tablespoon of the sprouted rolled oats and decided to add a few to the tops of each of the oat cookies. That way I would know which ones they are. And I placed them into an oven preheated at 350 degrees and set my timer for 20 minutes. And here they are. Oh my goodness, you will know these are done also because your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing. Guys, how quick and easy was this? 2 types of cookies, 5 ingredients or less, quick, easy to make. You can feel great about eating these for breakfast because they're so good for you, but you can enjoy these any time of the day. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think of these cookies. Which one do you think you'll try first? The almond or the oat? They're both so good. And guys, if you haven't already, I would love for you to join our community, so smash that subscribe button. I post new videos every Sunday, and be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Is there a particular recipe you would love to see recreated and made healthy? Drop me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time. Bye, guys.